What's up, everybody? This is an unboxing of the new Apple Watch SE. I finally took the plunge and got me a smartwatch, and it was the cheaper version, of course. I didn't feel like spending $500-$600, close to $600 for a smartwatch, so this is it. So let's go and get into this unboxing. First thing I'm going to see when I get this box open is that I want to know if it's going to be a charging port in it, but we'll see, because that's been the whole talks. What we do here? Am I doing this right? Oh, there we go. All right, put this to the side, and wow, yeah, I don't think nothing's in here. And there you have it. This is the literature, how to do the charging. The charging thing, I guess. It's not a brick. Round part. Get that to the side. Yeah, this is how you charge it, but I will not be using this because I bought a Nomad charging station that can charge for three devices all at once. So I got that so I can kind of charge it up at nighttime or in the morning before I go to work or something like that. And yeah, that's pretty much that. Oh, did I mess it up? Who knows? And see, this is a cellular one, so I'm hooked this up to the phone. Can I get it in there? Let's see, can you see it? See the little cellular ring? So let me put that to the side. And this would be the black band. I was trying to get the, I believe this is the Nike one. I believe. But, alright, here we go. Okay, I tore it off. What's going on here? It's black sports band. That's what it's called. There we go. Come on, get on out of here. Oh, okay. You have a shorter band, which I probably won't be using because I think my wrist is a little fat for this one. So here is the longer one. So let me go and set that up. All right, I'm a righty, so this would probably go here, and this will probably go here, and it's already booting up. And let's see. Oh, my bad. I forgot you do this. Press down, slide in. It's a little loose, so I gotta make it a little tighter. But yeah, I've gone and taken a plunge and gotten me an Apple Watch, and I'll probably get my apps and stuff ready. There you go. And a little tighter, a little snugger. There you go. I always like my watches right here. Like, I like them right there. So, as you can see, I like it right there. But, I see a lot of people have it right there. But I don't like that look. I kind of like this look better. But hey, to each his own. Well, that's pretty much it. This is the unboxing. I had to set it up with my phone. I'll probably do that in another video and give my opinions about the apps, how they work, the cellular connection. I will not be making phone calls on my watch. You ain't even got I ain't gonna even put that in the little video I want to do. But I will be making text messages, see how well it works in certain buildings. See if it's how good the cellular connection actually works and all that mess. And that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.